This is the falls that I just hiked to come see. I took the Douglas Spring Trail to get here. You see, there's lots of water. Since so many people I know and love haven't been to Arizona, I just thought maybe if you'd like to see a little glimpse of what I get to see. See the cute little saguaro right there? It's like one of only a few up here because the elevation is kind of higher up here. But if you see way beyond that saguaro, the mountains are covered in snow. It's really pretty. This is why we live in Arizona, because you just can't beat this.